Welcome back to the channel. Today we've got something truly special for you. Imagine a vehicle that combines the freedom of a motorcycle with the comfort of a tiny home on wheels. What you're looking at isn't just transportation. It's a rolling piece of nostalgia, a retro camper van unlike anything you've ever seen before. At first glance, the charm hits you immediately. The soft cream and pastel yellow paint, the delicate floral designs, and those lace curtains all whisper stories of simpler times. It feels less like a machine and more like a traveling cottage, a place where adventure and coziness meet in perfect balance. Now let's take a closer look. The front of this beauty has the spirit of a motorcycle, with its single wheel and classic round headlight, while the back transforms into a caravan that offers comfort and practicality. This blend makes it not only eye-catching, but also incredibly unique, something that turns heads everywhere it goes. Step inside, and you're welcomed into a space that feels warm and inviting. The car-style seats have been reimagined into comfortable seating for travel and relaxation, while the compact table and hidden storage make the most of every inch. The lace curtains let in soft, filtered light, giving the interior a glow that feels like home no matter where you park. What makes this even more fascinating is the story it tells. Vehicles like this were built with creativity and passion, designed not just to get you from point A to point B, but to turn the journey itself into an unforgettable experience. This isn't just transportation, it's a lifestyle, one that celebrates freedom, individuality, and a touch of whimsy. Imagine cruising down quiet, tree-lined streets or pulling into a campsite with this one-of-a-kind camper. If you've enjoyed discovering this retro gem, don't forget to hit that like button and share this video with friends who love unique vehicles. And if you're new here, subscribe to the channel for more rare finds, creative designs, and stories that spark your imagination. Before you go, let us know in the comments. Would you take this vintage camper on an adventure or park it as a showpiece in your collection? Your thoughts might just inspire our next video. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the next ride.